Okay guys, so siguro lahat kayo po ay well off na sa ating parts ng live, right? So, pero tatanungin ko pa rin kayo, no? Para ma-refresh kayo. Si Mang Nato ba? Yun, Mang Nato. Ikaw ba ang buting ano? Yan. Captain Him Nato pala ang figura. Captain Nato. So, we have to recover the lifeboat. Oo, tapos bababa natin natin sa kita. Kaya yung ginawa natin. Tatanggalin muna natin yung ano. Tanggalin mo muna yung forward at saka up interline. Maraming position to si Mr. Nato, si Captain Nato. Okay, so welcome again sa ating GMTC sa Wawang Pulo. Okay, so we're going to recover the lifeboat using power. Hawak ni Mr. Anot ha. So yan ha. So again, yung ating winch assembly.
Meron din siya dito sa gilid.
Okay. Yung ating winch assembly, yung ating kulay puting nakikita na yan, yung davit frame, tapos yung davit arm natin. At syempre yung limit switch natin dito, okay? Okay. Tapos yung kulay pula, yung ating stopper bar. And then forward at saka yung up. Yan ha. Okay? So we're going to recover the lifeboat using the power. So, sige sir, start tayo ha. So, keep clear ha. Sige, clear. Move away ha. Okay na yan? Okay, so guys, yun na, nasa tubig na yung ating yung lifeboat ha. So we call that offload ha. So lifeboat is totally waterborne, okay? Nandun na tayo, tapos bababa tayo, papasok tayo dun sa lifeboat, and then we have to check those fuel, oil, tapos yung ating battery, and then yung ating engine casing. Patakbuhin natin yung makina, saka natin siya i-release, no? So we have to take out first the FPD ha. Anong ibig sabihin ng FPD, sir? What is FPD stands for?
Full preventer device.
Yun, so nandun yung FPD natin, yung strap, okay? So tatanggalin natin yon bago tayo mag-release ng light. Okay, sige, baba tayo sir. Tara.